We can now add our moringa leaves, just as you can see. So, hi everyone, hope you all are doing wonderful. Today we are going to prepare moringa leaf stew. So these are the ingredients that we are going to use to prepare the moringa leaf stew. I've got here my melon seeds. I've got here about 3 eggs. I have my turkey berries here. This is my fish. And this is the moringa leaves. I've got here some peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlics, and ginger. So we are going to blend the garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and the peppers together. Sit, relax, and let's go through the process together. First of all, we are going to blend our peppers, onions, and garlics together. We have our melon seed in the blender. We are going to add some onions to give it some nice aroma. We need to pour in the oil. We are using red oil. So the peppers, tomatoes, onion, garlic will go in. As you can see, the stew has boiled for some time. So we are pouring in the blended turkey berries. Yes. We are mixing the eggs together with the melon seed.
Well, let me mix this. It's empty.
Now our fish will go inside the stew. We allow it to boil or cook for some time. Then we pour in the melon seed together with the eggs. We are adding a little salt to the melon seed together with the eggs. We are pouring in the melon seed together with the eggs.
Mommy, I want to mix. Yes.
So when we are done this way, we allow it to boil for some time. As we can see, this is the state of the stew after putting in the melon seed together with the egg. So it is not yet ready. We will allow it to boil or cook for some time. Then we'll come and add our moringa leaves. I think now we can stir it. I've gotten the texture that I want. Yes. It's looking so beautiful. At this stage, we can now add our moringa leaves, just as you can see. Yes. We will allow it to simmer for some time. Then I'll come and mix it together. If today is your first time passing by, on this channel we do cooking, baking, preparing of fruit juice and other interesting things happen here. So if you are a new subscriber, you are welcome. If you are a returning subscriber too, thank you so much for the journey so far. It has boiled for some time, so now we can go ahead and mix. We all know the health benefits of moringa leaves. Yes, moringa leaves is very healthy. You can just get some leaves, boil water and put some of the leaves in and drink it. You still get the health benefits. If you think you cannot drink it that way, this is also another way to use moringa leaves or to get moringa leaves in your system. Our stew is looking so beautiful. So at this point, I'm going to add some onions, some chopped onions. At this point, the stew is ready, but we are going to give ourselves some few minutes. Then we turn off the fire. Our stew is now ready. So thank you so much for staying with me and watching up to this time. Till I come your way, it is bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.